So one of the things that you can do in Affinity is go ahead and freely draw. And to do that, especially if you have a tablet, you can actually go ahead and use the pencil tool right here. So I can simply go ahead and select the pencil tool and click and drag right here to draw out. If you have a tablet, as I said, it's much more smoother to use this tool as well. You can even go around over here and increase the size of the stroke right here, just like this after you draw as well. And even go ahead and draw out afterwards using the same style right here. So this is what you can do now. And apart from that, you can also go ahead and change out the width and the style right here, because this is simply the line right here which we are drawing. You can also go around over here and change the color of the line as you want as well. And as I draw now, you can see that I get the new settings right here as I draw out as well. So if I were to go ahead and create, like, let's say for example, straight line, you can see that it simply creates a curve right here. What if I want to perfectly create a straight line? In that case, you can hold Shift on your keyboard, and as you draw, you can see that you can create a straight line right here. So you can go around over here, but you can hold Shift, and as soon as you hold Shift, you can see that you can create a straight line. So go around over here, hold Shift, click and drag down. This is what you have. And you can even go diagonal right here with a straight line, and you can see that it snaps into place if I were to hold Shift. But as soon as I let it go, you can see that I have a free drawing right here, just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with pencil tool inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.